What to do after a car accident is probably one of the questions I get the most. And after a car accident, after you make sure that you're not dying and you're assessing your injuries and dealing with the immediate ramifications, my first piece of advice is take photos. So one of the great things about the fact that everybody has a smartphone, it seems, and all these smartphones have these great cameras, video, etc. Take video, take photographs. Preserve as much evidence as you can of the scene. The other thing that I would strongly encourage people to do is get the names and telephone numbers of witnesses who have stopped. You would think that the police would do that, but they are often busy dealing with traffic and trying to fill out the traffic accident report. And unfortunately, it's kind of rare for the police to secure all the names and telephone numbers of witnesses at the scene. So if you've been in an accident and you realize you're okay, take photographs, get the names and telephone numbers of witnesses at the scene. The next thing is, do not delay treatment if you are injured. Now, if you feel neck or back or that kind of pain, it's obviously fine to see if that goes away. But if it doesn't go away, it's important to get in and have somebody document what your injuries are. And the reason why I say it's important to document it is, from the insurance company's standpoint, if there's not a record that says you were injured or this hurts or that hurts, then from their perspective, it didn't occur and you aren't hurt. So in the absence of a record documenting what your injuries are, the insurance company takes it to mean you are fine. So that's another sort of piece of advice is, if you are hurting, don't let there be big gaps in your treatment. Continue to treat your injuries, get better, do what your doctors tell you to do, and that will prevent insurance companies from trying to say, well, gee, you have this 3-month gap in treatment. You couldn't have been hurting that bad because if you were, you would have gone to the doctor. So secure evidence at the scene and get treatment if you're injured.